Page 117, number 25. Find f of x and g of x so that the function can be described as f of g of x. And we're given that a y is equal to the absolute value of 3x minus 2. Now, it does state in the problem, which I didn't write down, there may be more than one possible decomposition. So I'm going to show you two in this example. What I've tried to look at is there like a defined outer function and inner function that I can see? And in this case, if I look, I have absolute value bars there, which is itself a function. And then on the inside, I have 3x minus 2, which is the equation of a line. So on the outside, I have an absolute value function. So that could be my f. So f of x is equal to the absolute value of x. So that's one way to define f. And then if I were to substitute a function inside it to get our y, that function would be my g of x, which in this case would be 3x minus 2. And you can verify that by actually creating f of g of x with our functions. And what we see is we'll have the absolute value, and then our 3x minus 2 will go there. And it gives you the function we started with, the y value. So that's one set of functions. So the absolute value of x for f of x, and the line for g of x of 3x minus 2. Another way you could do it is see that you already have a function that's an absolute value, and it is x minus 2. So I look at the substituting part. What is different would be the fact that it's 3 times x minus 2. So my g of x could be 3x. And so again, if you look and you take the g of x and substitute it for x, our f of g of x would be the absolute value of 3x minus 2. So there is a second way that you can describe f and g for our function.